Hey, look, rookies use dollars. I'm trying to take shots at the king. We big dog status right here. We big dog status right here, baby. You feel me? Remember who told you that? So I still told me to take pictures of the box. So I did. I wish I had. That be them L strap at 10. The fire I spit burn down Happy Land. A little bit. I ain't Montel Jordan, but this is how we do it. Alright. Get to it. If you learn something, learn something. If you learn something, you can learn something. You feel me now? Well, let me in. Ain't no telling what the smell will do. So when y'all go to places, y'all know who else to call one for, right?
Trey Young said he be going in the next couple of hours.
Next couple of hours?
Yeah.
They said he had something happened in the locker room. He got on all his teammates or something.
Yeah, because he said how he get to take 11 shots. He keep playing. And he took 11 shots. He was mad about that.
Oh, yeah. was too. He messed up my parlay.
Yeah, so he took 11 shots. He ain't happy with that. So the young guys on his team just think they deserve to shoot.
Alright, so get the stoves in here. That's gonna connect to that. Stove gonna sit sideways. Alright. This piece right here. Able to move that around and set it in place like that.
Clap on that.
Yeah, don't tell nobody though. Make this thing extra good. I'm gonna reach on the corner. They don't know. But I've been through the learning all this. Bam, just like that right there. The motor gonna go inside this box. One part connects right here. The other part connects to the daggone stove.
Motor.
Huh?
That motor.
That blower motor. That blower motor. Mm-hmm. And then that hooks to that. This connects to this. They better feel me knocking.
Check it up, style, nothing about me. WLG.
Cause if you felt me knocking, why you ain't let me in yet?
Mama said can't have no cut.
You want to know my slogan? I'm a trademark. Huh? You can learn something. You can earn something. That's the slogan to taking up a trade. Remember that. You heard it here first. Learn something and earn something. I try to, man. These young people, they use the internet for the wrong thing. As expensive as college is, somebody gonna teach you for free? Man, look. You better jump on that like a bag of money in the alley.
A truck dropped some money out of there the other day. You see that?
Where?
On like a brick truck.
Where?
On the highway.
Man, they always be doing stuff like that in places we not located at.
Yeah, right on the highway. Auto cars on the side of the road too.
I bet. Mine would have been on the side too.
What? 2 days ago.
In fact, I'd have been smart enough to turn sideways and block the road off.
Yeah, it car the highway now. It wasn't like a little. It wasn't on the highway.
You see
like
this?
A country road.
This is to help with the ceiling, cause this the vent that connects with the stove. Y'all think I'm talking to my brother? I'm talking to y'all. We know what's going on. We're trying to help y'all get inclined. It's gonna be 2 stoves with these down drafting vents currently. It's gonna be a generator, KitchenAid. They're both similar. That's when you learn who owns who and who makes what. Yeah, they look the exact same. Except when you look at the price. But hey, expensive is expensive. If you selling $5 water and I'm selling $5 juice, it's still an expensive drink.
Water done got expensive.
What? Y'all stop playing out there lying to the people. Talking about y'all do everything I do. You worse than them.
Only reason I said because
So we don't need it. We don't need it. But I can't tell them that, you know what I mean? £500 stove. What part of it you think tipping over? Ain't,
oh yeah, the bottom of it is nothing but the bottom of it. I forgot.
that ain't a bad question.
I just thought of when I seen that right there, it gotta be on top of that, so it gotta be up on there.
We got 500,000 viewers. Yeah. They tuned in to greatness.
If we got that right there, I'm going to pay every day.
500,000 viewers.
I'm going to pay some truck crank.
500,000 viewers. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. And that part is done. You see how long it took? It's real time, baby.